Hey guys, welcome back. I come on here today because I wanted to touch base on the community page. I did go on from the computer and tried to access it, but it is not available for computer. I'm thinking it's only through mobile because I'm on my other account, or the channel my husband mainly does. So I'm using his account, and I went to my page. So at the top it says, let me turn around here. It says visit community. Then you can, right here, you're on the community page. Let's see. This is where I just went. I tried to do this video earlier, but anyway. So we go here and you click on your thing, and then I guess down at the bottom you can choose through photos. Like there's another, let's not do that one again. Okay, let's do that one. Okay, so easy dinner. And then we'll post. But I guess it lets you post, let's see. You can select up to 5 images that you would like to post. Then, of course, you can write out. It's mainly just like posting on Facebook or whatever. So, anyways, I'm new to it, so I was not sure exactly what was going on with the updates, because every time they do updates, my channel gets all wonky and weird. But after they did their updates or whatever, I guess they rolled that feature out to the smaller creators, because I had heard like 6 months ago of the larger creators getting that, and they said that they were going to eventually make it for every creator to have. But yeah, I think it's a pretty cool feature, and y'all get to sharing them photos, because I sure would love to see them. What you're growing, how, whatever. Any flowers you may be growing, maybe your garden, or maybe a project you're doing, or a piece of furniture, or whatever. A pet. I sure would love to see it, and it's just a great way to be able to connect with your YouTube family on a deeper level, other than just it allowing them to comment on videos. You actually can go a little, build a better relationship with your YouTube family, and I look forward to that. And as always, y'all stay blessed, and I'll see y'all Tuesday. Mwah. Bye.